Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll learn how to change the background automatically. And for us to do that, we have to shoot on a plain background. So I'm sure you've seen this video already. The original video, this was shot in front of my wall. This is the introduction video you saw in the beginning. I just stood in front of the wall in my bedroom and then I shot the video. You may think it's a plain background or a cloth, but no, it's just a plain wall. And for you to get this effect, you have to shoot on a plain background. For example, if you're using a gray wall or a gray cloth or whatever, the background has to be plain. Like it has to be, for example, if you're using gray, it has to be gray throughout. If you're using blue, it has to be blue throughout. Whatever you're using has to be the same color, not patches of different colors. It has to have a smooth color. And also what you're wearing should not be any color like the background. If you're shooting on a gray background, then your cloth should not be gray. Any design in your clothes should not have anything that has to do with gray. It should just be plain. If not, when you're trying to remove the background automatically, it would change everything, including your skin. So we're going to move from this is what we'll get, to this. So this is what I'll be showing you how to do. Need to do is go to new project. Now you can select any video you want to be the base, that is what you want to be the background of your video. In this tutorial, I'm just going to go to stock videos and choose from here. Remember, this feature would not work if your data is not turned on. We're using CapCut works with data. The features work with data, although it's free. So I'm just going to select this particular stock video. I'm going to select this. You can select multiple videos. Is loading. I've selected that. I'm going to select this one. These are stock videos from CapCut. I'm going to select that one. And which other one? Okay, let me select this one so I can create something different, then add it to my timeline. So this is what we have on our timeline, and I don't know if you can notice, it's not really fit to the screen. There's some space there, so I'll just tap on the particular stock video and I'll just fit it to how I want it to be. Make sure it's framed well. Like you see, this one it was shot in a portrait format, so I'll just tap on it and then fit it to the screen so that you can have that effect. Do the same for this. It's okay, this one, which is this one, I want to delete it. This is the watermark at the end. When you're done with this, you go to the beginning, tap on overlay. This is overlay, the overlay button. Tap on it, then you click on this plus sign and bring in your video. Selected this video and I'm going to bring it in. Now it's not fit appropriately. As you can see, the frame and everything is there. So what I'm going to do is take it to the beginning, tap on this particular overlay, use my finger to fit it to the screen. It mustn't be perfect. As you can see, there's some black borders, but that's not a problem. Then when you select it, go to remove background. Look at the option here, automatically it removes the background. So we click on it and then it removes the background. So it's removing background 5%, 6%. Just wait for it to load. When it's done, the background would be gone, like vanish. Do you see how easy this tool is to use? It wouldn't have been easy if I shot in a complicated kind of background. It wouldn't have been easy, but for you to get the best out of your videos, like I explained in the beginning, your pre-production stage, how you shoot your video in the beginning is very important. So anything you want to do in your editing process or post-production, make sure that you set it right in the beginning. So it's loading. Once it loads till 100%, we are good to go, and then the background has been removed. If we play this is what you see. So everything is playing in the background. I'm going to bring it down so that she can rest. I can rest on this. So, and the good thing about, after removing the background, we can tap on it and then resize it with your finger, then put it where you want it to be. Then let's play it and see how it looks. So you see, this is it. So that's pretty much how to remove the background of your video automatically. Do you see how easy it is? You can remove your background and put anything you want, literally anything. Like this stuff at the back is like a video. You can put a static picture, you can put whatever you want as your background, but just make sure that you follow these steps appropriately right from the production stage, and you will have zero problems during editing. So I would like you to try something like this. Create something, remove the background, play around with the tools. The good thing about the CapCut app is that it also has other things that the VN app has. So just look around the features and then try to see what you can play around with. So you can just check them out and then create something wonderful.